You searched how to buy shares of Franklin Electric County, Inc. Franklin Electric is a global maker of pumps, motors, and pumping systems, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FELE. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FELE to find the stock. Confirm you have the correct Franklin Electric County, Inc. listing on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to understand recent movement. Make sure the company description matches Franklin Electric County, Inc. so you are on the right listing. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the order executes. Check the description for a link if you want to follow the same example.